Did you know that unripe fruits generally contain more naturally occurring enzymes? It's true. That's why we created this green papaya powder. We picked our papayas in their green state to fully capture two naturally occurring enzymes, papain and chymopapain, which help break down proteins and aid in digestion. Studies suggest that raising one's digestive enzyme levels can strengthen the immune system. Papaya enzymes also can penetrate and dissolve injured tissues in the body. This may help reverse hardening of the arteries. Other phytonutrients found in green papaya can neutralize harmful bacteria and even parasites, creating a healthier intestinal tract. Our convenient green papaya powder is drum-dried at low temperatures and contains no additives or carriers.
The papaya is an incredible healthy tropical fruit that Christopher Columbus referred to as being the fruit of angels. It's loaded with antioxidant, reduces inflammation, fights disease, and helps you stay young. Every part of this fruit and plant has a use in medicine. But a lot more can be said about the papaya fruit and the plant. It has benefits that science is just starting to discover. It has cancer-fighting properties, benefits heart health, improves digestion, constipation, keeps you young, and much more. Number one, papayas are incredibly nutritious. If you're one of those people who drinks several glasses of orange juice every morning to have your daily doses of vitamin C, obviously, you might want to change your fruit. One single serving of papaya can provide you with all the vitamin C you need for an entire day. Just one serving contains almost 300% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C. It's that good. Two other important nutrients are only found in the papaya plant. These are chemopapain and papain. Chemopapain is a proteolytic enzyme that is extracted from the latex of the papaya plant, and its most common use involves relieving pain caused by herniated discs in the spine. Doctors have found that injecting this compound directly into the disc can dissolve parts of it and relieving pain and pressure of the disc on the surrounding nerves. And this, my friends, is incredible. That only a single enzyme can dissolve parts of a herniated disc is truly amazing. Number two, improves digestion. One of the most incredible benefits of the papaya fruit is its capability to improve digestion. The hallmark of papayas is that they contain an enzyme called papain. Papain is a proteolytic enzyme, which means it aids in protein digestion. In several new research studies, researchers believe that this special enzyme is responsible for the papaya's renowned digestive properties. It's so effective that papain is sold in a good price, by the way, to improve digestion as softened meats in our guts. Many cultures use papayas as a natural remedy for abnormal digestive problems like constipation, heartburn, symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, ulcers, and much more. Several multinationals are now producing papayas with the sole purpose of extracting its digestive components because they know how good it can be. For example, in one double-blind experiment, researchers concluded that the certain papaya preparations contribute to the maintenance of the digestive tract by relieving constipation, bloating, and even reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. So now, number three, reduces cancer risk. Antioxidants are substances that protect the body from oxidative stress, which is obviously very important or an important factor as we age. Studies are beginning to discover that an antioxidant protection, especially from lycopene, found in papayas, helps protect us against oxidative damage to DNA that could activate oncogenes, or cancer-causing genes. Papayas are high in dietary antioxidants like lycopene that may be able to protect our cells from damage caused by internal or external sources like radiation, sun exposure, and much more. The main point to remember is that oxidative stress in combination with high levels of insulin and glucose poses a major cancer risk factor, especially in people with diabetes, for example. Some researchers believe that fermented papaya preparations can influence signaling cascades associated with uncontrolled cell growth and survival, making it possible or a possible therapeutic method for patients undergoing cancer therapies. If this is what we know so far, who knows what could be discovered in the future about papayas and cancer. Number four, papayas have anti-aging properties. This is something interesting you probably don't know. The rate of skin aging is predominantly determined by two things: the rate of tissue degeneration and the rate of tissue regeneration. So what are some of the factors that play an important role in aging? One of these factors is the excessive level of free radicals that is believed to accelerate wrinkling, sagging, and even other skin damage conditions that occur with age. The good thing about papayas is that lycopene and vitamin C are readily available in this fruit and have properties that protect the skin from signs of aging. Another factor that involves skin aging is UV radiation from sun exposure, and incredibly enough, papayas act as a natural sunscreen that protects the skin from harmful rays, preventing premature wrinkling in people who use it topically. So there are two important ways you can use them. You can take them orally, which always is very healthy for other factors, or you can apply it topically. Number 5, papayas have anti-diabetic properties. Diabetes is a new epidemic of our time. Millions of people are in the process of falling into this chronic condition and don't even know it. But there are several things you can do to prevent this disease, and eating papaya is one of them. The papaya plant is used in traditional medicine because it's known to produce hypoglycemic effects and improve lipid profiles in both animal and human studies. There was a very interesting experiment done in rats where aqueous papaya extract was administered to diabetes-induced animals, and researchers noticed that the extract decreased blood glucose levels and cholesterol levels in the blood of these animals. Other observations show that papayas apparently also benefit the functions of both the liver and pancreas. Let's wait and see if new research can discover a way to control diabetes that can be extracted from the papaya fruit. Who knows? Number 6, promotes heart health. There are two main types of cholesterol in the body, and both have different effects. In simplified terms, one is good and one is bad. High-density lipoproteins, or HDL, are the good types of lipids. These are associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease because they stimulate glucose uptake and oppose insulin resistance. Papayas are well known for their high carotenoid content, a substance that can enhance the cardioprotective abilities of HDL, or good cholesterol.